So welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to bring you some really cool footage. So first of all, let's start and say about why we haven't put so many videos up in the last couple of weeks, and there is a good reason for it. The reason being, we have just built a state-of-the-art engine room. At the moment, we've got nearly 22 Js all being built, and they range from 900 wheel horsepower to 1800 wheel horsepower. So behind me, we've got all our racking now all sorted, all the short blocks all built, all the cylinder heads coming back from machine work, and we're going to take you inside our new state-of-the-art engine room. Anyway guys, let's go inside.
Really strong racking, making sure everything's nice and organised. Blocks, cylinders, heads, cranks. And let's walk into the engine room right now. How amazing does that look? That engine room is super clean, super tidy. Love everything being laid out, all the measuring equipment, making sure everything's bang on. The tools that you need to assemble the engine, some measuring equipment. We've got some rods and some ARP bolts, some BC springs, retainers, Calford cams, Manley pistons, Cleveite bearings, and then all the measuring equipment and fitting equipment. I'm so pleased how this turned out. It looks absolutely amazing.
So behind me, just here, we've got our engine stripping bay. So any engines that come through our doors will be stripped outside the engine room. Everything will then get boxed up, ready for our prep. It's really important to make sure that all the engines that come through to us, we make sure that when they are disassembled, we can inspect and check and make sure they're a good engine to start with before we proceed to taking them to the machine shop and making sure that all the honing finishes and all the deck surfaces are all absolutely perfect.
Freshly built 2J going together here, everything laid out, weighed. Loving the shots and the Manley pistons, and super clean, not a single speck of contamination.
So with the new engine shop now all up and running, can't wait to build some more engines in here. I've started a 2J behind me. I've got Christian's GR Yaris to do, as well as a load more on the list. So it's pretty much all done. We're going to talk about maybe getting a HVAC system in here as well, keep a controlled temperature between 18 and 22 degrees, make sure all our measurements are then consistent throughout the temperature range. But it's going to be a really cool engine shop. I'm going to try and bring you as much cool footage as I can. And yeah, sit back and relax. You know, thank you for watching, and yeah, I hope to see you all again next week with another video. If you like the video, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. Anyway guys, have a wicked weekend. I'll catch you later.